Do you want to add Facebook Digital Creator to profile? You can display Digital Creator on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add Digital Creator to your Facebook profile, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Find and tap on your topic name under the category section. Now, if you have not already added Digital Creator, search for it and select it. Once added, tap on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Now, under the Intro section, tap on the Pin Details option. From the new screen, select Digital Creator and tap on the Save button. Now, the Digital Creator label will appear on your Facebook profile.